Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to see who added you back instantly. First of all, go to your add friends tab on your Snapchat and then look for added me. After that, tap their name. If it says added back, then they accepted you. If it says added, they still have not added you yet. Refresh by restarting Snapchat. Force close the app by swiping it up from the bottom of your screen and then swipe it away. Then tap their name, then at the last open it once again and check one more time. Safety tip, do not spam at people. You can get limited. Quick fix, log out and back into refresh ads, and that's it. Subscribe for more tricks.